Hey guys, how's it going? Hope you guys are doing good. Today we have an overview of the new features in iOS 6, and let's go and get started with Maps here, which is pretty new. We have the new Maps feature here. We have turn-by-turn directions now. Make things a whole lot easier. Don't have to use any third-party app as well to get turn-by-turn directions, so let's go and get started. So here are some directions from Long Beach to Six Flags Magic Mountain. I do not know why it's not starting, but you guys get the point there. It does talk, and let's see. I don't know why it's not talking, but it was working earlier. So let's go and see the 3D view here. See if this thing will work. Let's go ahead and go to overview. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and see here. Here are your turn-by-turn directions. Makes everything a whole lot easier. But there you guys go. That is the new maps in iOS 6. You guys can go ahead and take a deeper look into it for yourselves. Not going to go too deep into it. Don't want to show my location, of course. But here is the App Store. It has now been changed. The new layout. I like the whole new look of it. It's black. And here's your top charts. Here you have your used to be top 25 paid and free, I believe. Here it's now just scrollable. So here's your top paid and your top free apps. And here's your update section. I like it now, so once you go ahead and update, it doesn't go to the home screen, which is pretty nice. So also doesn't ask for your password also, so you can just go ahead and update. But when you do purchase something, it does ask for the password, of course. So that's pretty cool. Moving on, let's go ahead and go to the new Panorama feature in iOS 6. I'm not going to go ahead and show you guys a test of it, but you guys can go ahead and try it out for yourselves. It's there if you want to. Also new in iOS 6 here we have Passbook. I don't know why it's not working. But you guys can go ahead and look it out for yourselves. I don't think I'll be using it that much. Maybe for movies, I guess. But yeah. So let's go ahead and go to the new phone here. Here's the new dialer. And I'm actually going to call myself here and show you guys that you can dismiss calls now in iOS 6. So let's go ahead and call this phone here. And let's see how good it is. So I actually haven't tested it out yet, but as you guys can see also here it does have a blue color status bar, which is nice. I like that. Looks like you're on a hotspot or something, if you guys know. But I am calling it. So there is the new features. Can reply with message, remind me later. So let's go to in 1 hour. Alright. So that's pretty cool. I like that. And I hope you guys will like that as well. But yeah. So also new we have iCloud reading tabs. I don't usually use iCloud, but you guys can go ahead and check it out for yourselves. Now I have an offline reading list here. So let's go ahead and see if I can get this. So add to reading list, there we go. And here's the new share menu, which is pretty cool. I like it. You can also share links via Facebook. So if you click on Facebook, it will. But let's just go ahead and show you guys a demo here. And let's just go ahead and go to here. And here is the new share menu. I like it. It's pretty cool, much easier. And just looks more nicer. Also, you do have image uploading in Craigslist, so if you're uploading any image on a website, you can now do that. You guys can go ahead and try it out for yourselves. And let's go ahead and move on to Siri now. So, what's the score of the Angels game?
The Angels were beaten by the Rangers today. The final score was 6-2.
And I went to that game earlier, so sucks that they lost. They just blew it. Now they have no chance at the wild card, but we'll see. Now they think they're 3 games behind the wild card, but moving on, let's go ahead and see who's taller, LeBron James or Kevin Durant.
Let me check that.
Looks like I said Kevin Durant.
Here's what I found.
Well, you guys can see who's taller, LeBron James or Kobe Bryant.
If you squint, you can see that LeBron James is slightly taller.
Alright. Show me movie times.
Okay, I found 8 movies playing a bit far from Irvine for today.
Here are some movies, so you can get some Showtime info as well, and some ratings, which is pretty cool. You can also reserve dinner reservations on Siri, so you guys can go ahead and try that out for yourselves as well. So we can go ahead and tweet with Siri. Tweet, hi.
Here's your tweet. Ready to send it?
Go ahead and cancel that.
Okay, I won't send it.
You can also send status updates to Facebook. Facebook status update, I believe.
I can't do that. You haven't set up your Facebook
So I haven't set it up yet, but I can go ahead and do that if you want. But moving on, we have a lot more features as well. You can now insert photos in mail, which I think you can do that before. I'm not sure. But here you have a VIP list in mail, and you can also have different signatures per account. And let's go ahead and move on to settings here. You have the do not disturb feature. I like that. I had that on the jailbreak, so it's nothing new. But here's Bluetooth. They do have Bluetooth sharing now. Here's privacy settings. Here, Bluetooth sharing, photo stream, in there as well. So let's go ahead and move on to accessibility. Here you have a guided access feature. And let's go ahead and move on to FaceTime. FaceTime over 3G cellular data. And do believe that I've covered everything. Don't think there's anything else. But that is my features of the new features in iOS 6. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. But thanks guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.